Today, I'm counting down the 10 affordable tools that pro mechanics swear by to upgrade your DIY game. Ever been halfway through a simple brake job, covered in grease, knuckles bleeding, staring at a stubborn caliper piston that just won't budge? Or maybe you've gone to start your project car after a long winter, only to be greeted by the dreaded click, click, click of a dead battery. We've all been there, fighting our own tools. Or worse, not having the right tool at all. What if I told you that professional mechanics have a secret arsenal of affordable tools that turn these nightmare scenarios into simple jobs? Tools that can diagnose a hidden engine problem without taking it apart, or remove a stripped bolt like it's nothing. Number 10. Digital torque wrench. Stop guessing. Over-tightening can snap a bolt, while under-tightening can lead to a catastrophic failure. The Lexavant half-inch drive click torque wrench takes the guesswork out. This is an Amazon's Choice product with a staggering 4.6 stars from over 33,000 reviews and 3,000 units bought last month alone. It's pre-calibrated in the USA with a certificate, features a dual-range scale for easy reading, and its durable construction means it's the last torque wrench you'll ever need. For $45, it's professional precision on a DIY budget. Number 9. Panel and trim removal kit. Say goodbye to cracked dashboards and mangled trim. For jobs like installing a new stereo, replacing a window regulator, or running wires, this 5-piece nylon pry tool set is a lifesaver. It's sitting at a near-perfect 4.7-star rating from almost 29,000 people. And the best part? It's only $9.99. Made from scratch-resistant nylon, it gives you the leverage you need without the damage you don't. Over 2,000 were bought last month. This is one of those, why didn't I get this sooner? Number 8. Locking pliers set. A good set of locking pliers is a third hand, a makeshift clamp, and a strip bolt savior. The WorkPro 5-piece set is the overall pick on Amazon with a 4.6-star rating. For a limited-time deal of just $19, you get 5 different sizes, including long nose and curved jaw, all made from durable chrome vanadium steel. With over 2,000 sets sold last month, it's clear this is a foundational tool for any garage. Number 7. Adjustable oil filter wrench. Slippery, rounded-off oil filters are a thing of the past. The WorkPro adjustable oil filter wrench set is another Amazon's Choice winner, with a 4.6-star rating. For $16, you get 2 sizes that can grip filters from 1.75 to 3.75 inches. Its anti-slip teeth bite into the slipperiest filters, and 800 DIYers grabbed one last month to make their oil changes cleaner and faster. Number 6. Seal puller and installer set. Trying to tap in a new crankshaft or axle seal with a hammer and a socket is a recipe for a leak and a ruined seal. The Orion Motor Tech 10-piece bearing press kit lets you install them perfectly every time. An Amazon's Choice product with a 4.6-star rating, this $29 kit includes 9 dual-sided adapters to fit most standard seals. It's made of heavy-duty aluminum and keeps everything organized in its own case. Over 1,000 were sold last month to people tackling professional-level jobs at home. Number 5. Thread Chaser Kit. You're doing a spark plug change and you find stripped threads in the cylinder head. Don't panic. The 49-piece Thread Chaser Master Kit is here to save the day. This overall pick has a 4.5-star rating and is the ultimate insurance policy for any engine work. For $59, it cleans and restores damaged threads for metric and SAE bolts without removing material like a tap. Over 500 were bought last month by savvy DIYers who know that fixing threads the right way is cheaper than replacing a cylinder head. Number 4. Compression and Leak Down Tester. Is your engine running rough? Losing power? This tool tells you why. The Cylinder Leak Down Tester Kit is a diagnostic powerhouse. It's the overall pick with an incredible 4.8-star rating. For just $31, this dual-gauge tester can pinpoint problems with piston rings, valves, and head gaskets. With over 100 sold last month, it's the tool that can save you from wasting money on parts you don't need by telling you exactly what's wrong inside your engine. Number 3. Brake Caliper and Bleeder Kit. Never struggle with a brake job again. The Orion Motor Tech 2-in-1 brake tool kit is the overall pick for a reason. With a 4.3-star rating and priced at $43, this kit does 2 critical jobs. It compresses those stubborn caliper pistons, And it's a vacuum brake bleeder that lets you bleed your brakes solo. With over 200 kits bought last month, it's clear that DIYers are taking back control of their brake maintenance. Number 2. Digital borescope. This one feels like magic. The Teslong two-way articulating borescope lets you see inside cylinders, behind panels, and into the deepest, darkest parts of your engine. It's Amazon's choice with a stellar 4.7-star rating. For $110, you get a 5-foot flexible cable with an articulating camera that sends a crystal-clear image to its own 4.5-inch screen. Over 4,000 people bought this last month to diagnose carbon buildup, find lost parts, and inspect components without any disassembly. And the number one tool pros swear by to upgrade your DIY kit: battery tender/maintainer. This isn't just a charger, it's a battery lifesaver. The Noco Genius 1 is the undisputed number one bestseller in battery chargers on Amazon. Look at these numbers: a 4.4-star rating from a massive 57,527 reviews, and an unbelievable 20,000 plus units bought in the past month alone. For $30, down from its list price, this smart charger doesn't just charge, it maintains, it desulfates, and it can even revive deeply discharged batteries down to 1 volt. It has temperature compensation to prevent overcharging, and it works on everything from your car and motorcycle to your lawnmower and boat. This is the single best investment you can make to prevent the most common car problem there is: a dead battery. So there you have it. 10 pro-level tools that won't break the bank, but will massively upgrade your capabilities in the garage. From keeping your battery alive to seeing inside your engine, these Amazon bestsellers are the secret to doing the job right the first time. Which one are you adding to your cart first? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video saved your knuckles and your wallet, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY tips that actually work. Thanks for watching, and remember, the right tool doesn't just make the job easier, it makes you a better mechanic.